Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Colors, every color, every color, every color, every color, every color, every color. Colors, 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 extreme. Colors, colors, colors.
Yes, Unstoppable family, so you know it's your boy Unstoppable, and I'm back again to give you a few updates on what's going on in the world of reggae, dancehall and social media dramas around the world. First topic we're going to touch is Usain Bolt gets blasted by unhappy customer at his newly opened restaurant in the UK. And on the same topic of food, we're going to talk about the freshly fried paper towel served as fried chicken in a restaurant. Yes people, and we're going to big up Cranium for dropping his new music video which is about to drop soon. Yeah man, Cranium have a new song coming people. That and much more we're going to talk about in another video. But before we jump into it, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, click the subscribe button and give the video your thumbs up peeps. Yes, share the video as well. Yeah, me appreciate the support. So people, Usain Bolt opened a new restaurant in the UK, Tracks and Records. Yes, just like the one in Jamaica. And unfortunately, there is an unhappy customer already. Yes, it's getting some bad name. But people, me are going to make you watch the video right now and see what the girl had to say. Watch this.
Live, wait. So, guys, so I'm here. I'm at Usain Bolt's new restaurant, yeah? Tracks and Records, okay? So far, nothing's been fast like his records. Nothing, yeah? We've got 3 Prosecco so far. Starters all come out at different times. Like everyone was getting chicken wings. They were offering the vegetarian lady chicken wings. She told them twice, can I have some vegetarian dishes? And they were shoving chicken wings in her face, yeah? Number 1, yeah? Now, I'm waiting for my main meal, yeah? My main meal has come now, yeah? And I've got jerk chicken. Why have I got hard-dough bread toast? Why have they toasted my hard-dough bread? And I'm only half Jamaican, you know, but my grandma never bought me no toasted hard-dough bread with my jerk chicken. It never did go so, okay? I have no rice and peas, not even rice and green peas. He didn't even bring Jamie Oliver's thing in the kitchen. I don't know what's going on here. Babe's got fried fish, yeah? It looked like she got fried shark fin. Fried shark fin. Fried shark fin. Joseph, your woman's here. Pull us in. Look at this. It looks different. It's fried dolphin. Then bring fried dolphin. They bought fried dolphin. I don't know what's going on here in Usain Bolt restaurant, Track and Records. I don't know. I don't even know what to say. I'm lost for words. I'm actually lost. Joseph, you do need to be here, but you wouldn't be impressed with the food. You're in Yard right now getting a real thing. And my man comes from Yard. I don't know what he's serving us, you know, Joseph. I don't know what he's serving us. Look at my main, Joseph. Look here. Guys, look here. This is a jerk chicken main. Since when did your grandma bring out your jerk chicken dinner with bread? I don't understand. Where's my rice and peas? And baby's eating fried shark. There's no more food. What? What am I hearing? What am I hearing? No more food. There's no more food. There's no more food. Wait. Half our table haven't even been served yet. And the ladies are telling me, what ladies? There's no more food. There's no more food. What is going on there? Wait. I have to stop this thing and I need to find Usain Bolt's own page and I need to message him. Because this is not right. It's not right. I just can't. Oh my gosh. They run out of food, Juliet. They run out of food. No. They run out of food. And look what they bring me. Toast with my jerk chicken. What was he saying? There's going to be free dinner about discount. Everything free. They run out of food. Look, they brought me fried shark. Fried shark. That's not a snapper. That is fried dolphin. That is fried flipper. Flipper on the plate. Why is flipper on the plate? Why? When we ask for fried snapper or bream or them things that, you know, your grandma finds. It's
was it high? Live and direct. So they told me they got no go. So my drinks are half price. And now they're giving my girl flipper. It's not good enough.
It's not good enough. Flipper. See Flipper there?
We've not even no Marlin.
Sure. Usain Bolt. I'm disappointed. And I'm only yellow. Shit. Wait till the niggas get onto you. Hell.
Alright, the peeps. So I wanna think about that whole thing. I wanna feel like say the people them could have handled the situation a little bit better, probably talk to the servers, probably talk to the manager, the restaurant, and explain them discrepancy where them have with to them and maybe solve it a little bit better instead of going live and putting the restaurant on blast. Do you think that's what them should have done, or did they do the right thing? As I say, maybe Usain Bolt need to contact the team in the UK and say, listen, we can't be having these kind of things happen. You understand? People talk to me in the comment section. So moving on to this, on to another food topic. Listen me people, so there's this video circulating of a person eating some food and find a perfectly fried paper towel in a them plate. People, a perfectly fried paper towel. No people, me not understand what I go on. Some of them restaurants are just too careless, but me gonna make you see the video for yourself, people. Boy, me I tell you, when I see the video, people, me shock. Mr. Jano, a perfectly fried paper towel served as a whole fried chicken, people. See it ya, watch it for yourself and talk to me.
Yeah, that's paper towel. And that's what they serve as chicken. It is all true. That's a whole piece of chicken that they've served. That's what they've served. I go into that manager for.
Boy, people, me just can't explain that one day at all. I don't know what to say about it. No, accidents do happen, yes, we can say that. But, I mean, how do you fry a piece of paper towel without realizing that you're frying a piece of paper towel? I mean, what kind of accident that would have be? Because if you are going to fool up the... I can't even know what I'm talking about. Because if you drop a piece of paper towel in the frying... in the deep fat fryer, you're supposed to see the... and then you have to go dip the paper towel in the flour. People may not even understand how that mistake could be made. So unless them did run out of chicken and never have enough meat for fry, and say, yeah, hear me just try fry piece of paper towel and brown it, make it look like a chicken and see if the idiot them are going to eat it. People, that's the only thing we can think of. What wanna think? What wanna really think happen, people? Because if that could never be a mistake, that could never be an accident. Because me know me can cook. If me go fry a piece of chicken, people, and me go dip it in the flour, yes, me I say for French fried. And while me dip it, I must say a paper towel. And when me put it in the deep fat fryer, I must say a paper towel and a chicken. And when me pick it up for serve it in the plate, I must say a paper towel and a chicken. So people, me just don't understand. But Jano, that one here give me an idea. Me just can't figure it out. If you don't know how that happen, comment in the comment section and tell me. Now, moving on to the next video. Cranium have a new song I drop, people. I hear the song and I like the song. I always rate Cranium as an artist, people. Yes, what I say. So, big up to Cranium Panda one here. I'm going to make you hear it. I just go left it here, so I say nothing more about it. You want to comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about Cranium song. See you, peeps. See ya. Alright then, people, so now see the little preview of Cranium song Sit Down Pan It. What more want to do right now, tell me in the comment section what you think about the song. Like, share, comment and subscribe, because this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm out. Deuces.
Right now you know we unstoppable.